Stop! Before you buy this Kellogg muesli, there's one thing hidden in the ingredient list that the most people never notice. The front of the pack proudly says 12 in 1 power breakfast, high in fiber, source of protein, no maida, and no palm oil. At first glance, it sounds like the perfect healthy breakfast. But is it healthy, or is it another packaged food with clever marketing? Today, we are not just tasting the cereal, we are investigating it. We are going to read the ingredient list line by line, understand the nutritional fact, check the price, taste it, and answer the question that most buyers actually want to know. Is it truly healthy? Is the sugar content too high? Are the fruit actually nutritious? Is it suitable for children? Can it help with weight management? Is it worth spending your money on? And who should avoid buying it altogether? By the end of this video, you will know exactly whether this cereal deserve a place in your kitchen. So let's open the packet and let's begin. Before that, I'll tell you this is a Kellogg Muesli Fruit Nut and Seed Trial Mix. The packet weight is 65 grams, making it convenient option for someone trying the cereal for the very first time. The packaging immediately catches your attention. It uses bright colors and pictures of grains, nuts, and fruit that make the product look nutritious and premium. Right in the center, Kellogg's proudly call it a 12 in 1 power breakfast, which they have mentioned it over here. Around that, we can see the ingredients they want you to notice. That is oats, ragi, wheat, barley, corn, rice, almonds, pumpkin seed, raisin, blackcurrant, cranberries, papaya. Along with this ingredient, the front also highlights several nutrition claims that it is high in fiber, sources of protein, high in vitamin B1, B2, and B3, no palm oil, no maida. But oats appear later in the ingredient list. After sugar, we get rolled barley, rolled oats, raisin, candied papaya, pumpkin seed, ragi, millet flour, candied cranberries, almond, blackcurrant, wheat bran, oligo fructose, cocoa solid, added vitamins, iron, nature identical and artificial coconut flavor, food colors, and an antioxidant. Now let's talk about something important. Notice that both the papaya and cranberries are described as candied. That means this fruit have sugar added to them during processing. So although the package show colorful fruits on the front, they are not the same as eating fresh fruit naturally contain vitamin, water, and fiber. Candied fruit contain those nutrients too, but it also comes with extra sugar. That doesn't necessarily make the product unhealthy. It simply means we should understand exactly what we are buying instead of assuming everything shown on the front is completely natural. Overall, the ingredient list contains several good ingredients including oats, barley, ragi, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. At the same time, it also contains added sugar, flavoring, and food color, so the picture is more balanced than the marketing suggests. Understanding the 12 in 1 power breakfast claim. Now let's take a closer look at the biggest claim printed on the front of the packet, 12 in 1 power breakfast. It certainly sounds impressive, but what exactly does it mean? We will break that down next, along with whether this claim really reflects what's inside the packet, Kellogg Muesli Fruit, nut and seeds. So what exactly does 12 in 1 power breakfast mean? According to the Kellogg's, this cereal contains 12 featured ingredients, that is oats, ragi, wheat, barley, corn, rice, almonds, pumpkin seeds, raisin, blackcurrants, cranberries, and papaya. At first glance, this sounds like an incredible combination. And to be fair, having a variety of grains, nuts, and seeds along with fruit is definitely better than relying on just one ingredient. Different grains provide different nutrients. Oats and barley contain fiber. Ragi adds calcium and iron naturally. Pumpkin seed provide healthy fats and minerals. Almond contribute good fats, protein, and vitamin E. The dry fruit add flavor and natural sweetness. However, there's something worth understanding. The front of the packet tells us what's inside. It doesn't tell us how much of each ingredient is inside. When we look at the ingredient list, we saw that the corn, wheat, and rice appear before oats. The premium ingredients like almonds and pumpkin seeds are present, but in much smaller quantities. Ingredients are genuinely there, but attractive packaging naturally emphasizes the ingredient that people associate with health. This is why reading both the front and the back of the food packet is always a smart habit. The front attracts your attention. The ingredient list tells the complete story. Now let's talk about the price. This trial pack weighs 65 grams and it is priced at Rs 57. That works out to be roughly 88 paise per gram. According to the nutrition information, one serving is 40 gram. So this packet gives you approx 1.5 serving. Compared to plain oat, this is definitely more expensive. But remember, you are not just buying oats. You are only paying for the mixture of multiple grain, nuts, seeds, dried fruits, added vitamin, and the convenience of having everything mixed together. If you are someone who enjoys variety without preparing your own homemade mix, the price may feel reasonable. On the other hand, if your goal is simply to have a healthy breakfast at the lowest possible cost, plain oats combined with fresh fruits and a handful of nuts can be a more economical option. So whether the cereal offer a good value depends on what you are looking for, convenience or maximum nutrition per rupee. Now let's see what nutrition label tell us. Nutrition facts. Nutrition label often reveal things that advertisement don't mention. Per 100 gram, this cereals provide 385 calories, 7.5 gram of protein, 4.8 gram of total fat, 6 gram of dietary fibers, 81 gram of carbohydrates, 18.9 gram of total sugar. Out of this 18.9 gram of sugar, 9.8 gram are added sugar. That means not all of the sugar comes naturally from the fruit. Some of it has been added during manufacturing. Now let's convert these numbers into the recommended serving size. A 40 gram serving provides approx 154 calorie, 3 gram of protein, around 2.4 gram of dietary fiber, roughly 2 gram of fat, around 32 gram of carbohydrate, around 7.5 gram of total sugar, close to 4 gram of added sugar. This cereal is also fortified with important nutrients include vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folic acid, iron. This added vitamin can be helpful especially for people whose diets may not always include a wide variety of foods. The fiber content is one of the strongest points of this cereal. Fiber supports digestion, help you feel fuller for longer and can contribute to better overall gut health. The protein content is moderate, not especially high, but acceptable for a breakfast cereal. The fat content remains relatively low. Overall, the nutrition profile is balanced, but it is still important to remember that this is a processed breakfast cereal rather than a completely natural food. What happens if you eat this every day? Now comes another question that many people ask. Can you eat this every day? The answer is yes, but how you eat it make a big difference. If your breakfast is simply one recommended serving with milk, you are getting carbohydrate for energy, fiber for digestion, some protein and added vitamin and mineral. That's certainly better than skipping breakfast altogether or choosing highly sugary cereal. However, there are easy ways to make it even healthier. You can add sliced banana, fresh apple, blueberries, pomegranate or seasonal fruit available in your area. Adding fresh fruit increases vitamin, antioxidant and natural fiber without relying on processed ingredients. If you want extra protein, try eating it with a Greek yogurt or a highly protein milk. One more important point is a portion control. Many people pour much more than recommended serving into their bowl without realizing it. That can easily double the calorie and added sugar. Measuring your serving, especially if you are watching your weight or blood sugar, is simple habit that makes a real difference. So yes, this cereal can fit into a balanced diet, but like any packaged food, moderation is the key. Come the taste test. As soon as you open the packet, the first thing you notice is the pleasant aroma. It has mildly sweet smell with a light cereal fragrance, and you can immediately see that this isn't just plain flakes. Looking inside the packet, there are different grains mixed together with visible raisin, papaya pieces, cranberries, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and black currant. The mix looks colorful and inviting, which is exactly what you expect from a fruit, nut, and seeds muesli. I've eaten it. One thing I like is that none of the ingredients completely overpower the other. Instead, they work together to create a balanced flavor. If you have only eaten plain oats before, you will definitely notice that this tastes sweeter and more enjoyable. On the other hand, if you are used to chocolate cereal or sugar-coated breakfast cereal, you may actually find this much less sweet. Overall, I found the taste enjoyable, balanced, and easy to eat. Different ways to enjoy this muesli. Another thing I like about this product is its versatility. You don't have to eat it only with milk. You can mix with plain yogurt or Greek yogurt for a creamier breakfast with extra protein. You can sprinkle it over smoothie bowl to add crunch. Some people even use it as a topping for fruits, salad, or if you are traveling or heading to work, you can even eat it straight from the packet as a quick snack because it already contains grains, nuts, and dry fruits. Personally, my favorite combination will be a bowl of this muesli with cold milk topped with fresh banana slices and a few extra almonds. That simple addition makes the breakfast more filling, more nutritious, and even tastier. Is it really healthy? Now let's answer the biggest question of this entire review. Is Kellogg muesli fruit, nut, and seeds actually healthy? The answer is yes, but with a few important conditions. Let's start with the positive. It contains multiple grain including oats, barley, wheat, corn, rice, and ragi. It includes almond and pumpkin seeds, which add healthy fat and texture. It provides a good amount of dietary fiber, which helps to support digestion and keep you feeling full. It is fortified with B vitamin and iron. It contains no palm oil and it contains no maida. These are all positive points. Now let's look at the other side. The cereal also contains added sugar. Some of the fruit are candied, meaning extra sugar has been added during processing. There are added flavors. There are food colors. So while the cereal is healthier than many highly sweetened breakfast cereal, it is not the same as homemade muesli prepared from the plain roll oats, fresh fruit, raw nuts, and seeds. Think of it as a convenient middle ground. It is a practical option for busy morning, but it shouldn't replace fresh balanced meal every single day. A simple way to make it healthier is by adding fresh fruit instead of adding honey or extra sugar. That gives you more natural fiber, vitamin, and flavor. Who should buy it? So who is this cereal suited for? I think it is a good option for busy professionals who need a quick breakfast before work, college students who don't have time to cook, travelers looking for a convenient meal, families wanting an extra breakfast option, and anyone who enjoy mixture of grain, nuts, and dry fruits without having to prepare from the scratch. If convenience is important to you, this cereal does a good job. Who should avoid it? At the same time, it won't be the perfect choice for everyone. If you're following a strict low carbohydrate or ketogenic diet, this cereal contains too many grains. People with gluten related conditions such as celiac disease should avoid it because it contains wheat and barley. If you're trying to eliminate added sugar completely, an unsweetened muesli or homemade mixture may be a better choice. People with allergy should also be careful to check the label as the product contains cereals with gluten and almond and it may also contain traces of soy and milk due to manufacturing practices. If you have diabetes or are monitoring your blood sugar, portion size is especially important since the cereal contains added sugar and candied fruit. It is a good idea to discuss suitable serving sizes with your healthcare professional or a dietitian. So after examining the ingredient, reading the nutritional label carefully, looking beyond the marketing claim, checking the price, and finally tasting the product, here is my final verdict. For packaging, I'll give 9 out of 10. The design is attractive, informative, and stand out on the shelf. Ingredient, I'll give out 8 out of 10. The cereal contains a good mix of grain, nuts, and seeds, but the added sugar, candied fruits, and flavoring reduce the score slightly. The fiber content is good. The product is fortified with vitamin and iron and it provides a balanced breakfast when eaten in the recommended portion. For the taste, I'll give 9 out of 10. The combination of crunchy grain, chewy dry fruits and nuts make every bite enjoyable without being excessively sweet. Value for money, I'll give 8 out of 10. It costs more than the plain oat, but you are paying for convenience, variety and added ingredients. That gives the cereal an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10. Will I buy it again? Yes. But I will like to eat in a smart way with a recommended serving like cold milk or yogurt and fresh fruit on top. That gives you a more balanced and satisfying breakfast. So if you are looking for convenient breakfast then better than many sugary cereals on the market, Kellogg Muesli Fruit and Nut and Seeds is worth considering. Just remember that it is not a miracle health food and reading the nutrition label is always the best way to make an informed choice. If you have tried the cereal, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. I will love to hear whether you enjoyed it or you have another favorite breakfast cereal that you think is even better. If this review helped you to make a smarter buying decision, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our detailed product review, ingredient breakdown and nutritional analysis. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next review.